Kentico CMS, device profiles are an important part of building and viewing mobile websites. They enable the categorization of similar devices and provide an easy and intuitive way to manage mobile devices within a site. Device profiles also allow mobile preview within CMS Desk. Once device profiles are enabled within Site Manager, you can then change your default viewport of CMS Desk for a live preview of iPad, iPhone, Android, or other devices. Let's enable device profiles. Within Site Manager, we're going to select Settings, and then we're going to expand Content and select Content Management. Within Content Management, we're going to select Enable Device Profiles and then select Save. Now that we've enabled device profiles, let's go ahead and flip over to our Development tab. Within our Development tab, we're going to select Device Profiles, and you'll see that we have a list of profiles that are currently available. By default, Kentico ships with an iPad, an iPhone, and an Android device profile. Of course, you can add your own, and we do provide integration with the ability to continue to extend upon this. Let's go ahead and select our Android device profile. You'll notice that there are three basic screens that we can deal with. The first is our General, which provides preview as well as icon, as well as a list of selected devices that we can use within this, and also our Macro, which is used to define how we're going to actually figure out what kind of device this is. Let's flip over to our theme, and here you can see the actual device CSS file. Let's go ahead and edit this. And in this, you can see the device profile for Android and the CSS settings that go along with this. This gives me the capability of either tweaking or extending or modifying additional features or functionalities of the device. We're going to go ahead and cancel out of this. And last, we're going to select our page layouts. For each device profile, we can select the specific page layout that will be used. So for example, within the Android device profile, the full page will actually display the 3 rows. So this is really designed to make it easier for you to be able to manage your devices. Now that we've seen how device profiles work within Site Manager, let's go ahead and flip over to CMS Desk. Within CMS Desk, now that we've enabled device profiles, you'll notice that we have a new device button that becomes available within the CMS Desk toolbar. If I go ahead and I click on that, you'll notice that it matches what we saw for our device profiles. Let's take a look at how this can be used as part of a preview. I'm going to select my home page, and now I'm going to select my preview. As you can see, this is now showing a preview for our default device, which is our screen. If I go ahead and I select our Android device, you'll see that this then flips over and it provides our Android device. And as you can see, it looks just like the device itself. I can also rotate our device preview if I wanted to change the aspect orientation.